Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your Canva website to an HTML. Now for this to work, you must need to create a website page on Canva. So if you don't know how to do this, all you need to do is go here to Canva and search and just type in website. Now search for that. And then from here, there are different templates that you can choose from. So for example, I'm just going to choose this one. And I customize this one. Now from here, as you can see, it is a website. It's a wedding website and events and photographer. Now for you to be converted to an HTML or a link, there's two ways that you can do it. So firstly, like I said, it must be a website template or a website canvas. So for this to show up, this publish website, so you can just click on that if you want HTML. So we just wait for this to load, and this may take a while. However, once this loads, all you need to do is just click on next here, and it will actually give you a link after processing all of the sites, all of the pages. And as you can see, it's already loading here. Now while that's loading, I'll show you the other method of doing it. So let's go ahead and over here to share, and you just search for embed. Now once you've done that, just click on that. Oh, I just search on the people with access, so I'm just click on here, see all, my bad. And then right here, type in embed, and then this will show up, and then click on embed. And after you wait for this to load, the embed link will show up, and right here just click on embed again. And as you can see right here, the HTML embed code has been given, and as you can see, this is the link that is also given. So you just copy that, and if you actually paste that down here, and you actually take into this one, and that is it. That is how you create your embed your Canva to an HTML link. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.